Today, we're diving into the Lenovo ThinkSystem 550W 230V115V Platinum Hot Swap Power Supply, a powerhouse contender in the realm of server hardware. Boasting a sleek design and impressive specs, this power supply means serious business. First off, let's talk numbers. With an output wattage of 550, this unit packs quite the punch, ensuring steady and reliable power delivery to your system. Whether you're running intensive applications or powering a network of servers, the ThinkSystem 550W has got you covered. One of the standout features of this power supply is its platinum efficiency rating. Operating at peak efficiency, it not only saves you money on energy bills but also reduces environmental impact. Plus, with hot swap capability, you can swap out a faulty unit without shutting down your entire system, ensuring maximum uptime and productivity. In terms of dimensions, the ThinkSystem 550W is impressively compact, measuring just 5 by 3 by 3 inches. This means it can easily fit into tight spaces without sacrificing performance or reliability. And weighing in at a mere 2.0 pounds, it won't weigh you down during installation or maintenance. Lenovo's reputation for quality and reliability shines through in every aspect of this power supply. From its durable construction to its efficient performance, it's clear that this is a product built to last. Whether you're upgrading an existing server or building a new system from scratch, the Lenovo ThinkSystem 550W 230V115V Platinum Hot Swap Power Supply is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.